showing you guys how to make a paper shirt for Jawaharlal Nehru. So this is a very easy way of making a paper shirt that contains a rose, and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor for Children's Day, which is coming up on the 14th of November. So you guys can make it and you can keep it as a home decor, and you can also gift it to your friends and family, and you can also make it and just do it for fun. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful shirt that contains a rose. So I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper shirt. I also posted a video about how to make a paper big rose as well. So you guys can look through those ones because they are much easier than this one. So you guys will have a better understanding if you look at those. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this easy shirt. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So first we'll be making the shirt. So for this we just need a rectangular white piece of paper. So we only need a rectangular white piece of paper, as I said. So the first step we're going to be doing is that we are supposed to be folding the paper in half like this. Step number 2 is that I'm going to be opening this paper and you have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So we have to do this slowly. So the next step is that we're going to be folding the paper on the top part over here so that the top part touches the top corner part over like this. So now we're just going to be flipping the paper to the opposite side and we have to fold the paper on the bottom part a little bit like this, slowly. So after we come to this, we have to turn it back, and I'm folding both sides of the papers to the middle line. But we should not fold it to the middle line. We're just supposed to be taking this part and we're supposed to be folding it so that this corner tip touches the middle line over here. Like this. Once again. Like this. So now we have to repeat the same step onto the opposite side of the papers as well. So now we'll get a structure like this, if you guys can see. So now we're just going to be taking the bottom part of the paper and we have to fold it to the top part over here, and I'm pressing on it at the bottom. So now we'll get a structure like this. So as you guys can see, there will be a small opening at this part over here. So we're just supposed to be opening this part slowly like this, and we just have to be pushing this inside part over here. So there will be a small line part over here. We just have to open it like this and we have to push it in. So this part might not come very good for a lot of people. So if you can't do this properly, you can just take this part and you can apply some glue at the bottom part over here. Then you can stick it onto the top. So I'm just going to be applying some glue on the bottom part, but you can also do it without using glue in a very easy method. So that I'm just completely applying some glue and I'm just going to be spreading the glue using my finger. So you guys can use a toothpick, ice cream stick or anything to spread the glue. Now I'm just going to be folding the paper onto the top part like this. Now we just have to press on it so that it will stick more stronger and be more stronger as well. So I'm just going to be sticking on it and our paper shirt will be ready. So now we'll be making the paper rose. So before that I'm just going to be folding the paper in half so that the middle line will be stronger. So now we'll be making the paper rose. So for this I'm just going to be cutting out a circular paper out of red color paper. So you guys can cut it out slowly. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting the paper from the outer boundary like this. So as I said, I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper rose. You guys can go through that. So now I'm just going to be cutting the circle like this, but make sure that we don't cut it completely. We should be just cutting small circles out of this paper. Now I'm going to be turning this over here. So this is a very important part, so do it slowly and do it correctly as well, because if you miss a step or do it wrongly, then the whole thing will collapse. So now we'll get a bumpy structure over here. So now we're just supposed to be opening all these paper like this, and now we are going to be rolling this small paper inside over here. So this is also a very important part. We just have to roll it slowly. So after we roll it, our rose will be ready. So we just have to roll it slowly like this. I'm I'm just rolling it slowly from the inside part. So if you guys cannot roll it properly, you can just cut this small part over here. So I'm just going to be tearing this part out to make it more easier. So now it will be much more easier to roll it. So this might take some time, so you guys can fast forward the video if you like. So we have to roll it slowly from the outer part, but do it slowly, because if you do it very fast, then all the things will collapse. So we have to roll it slowly like this. So after we complete this, we'll have a structure like this. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the part paper over here. So we have to do this slowly. So after we apply this glue, I'm just going to be sticking this paper over here, and you have to give it some time. So we should give it like about 10 minutes to dry. So now I'm just going to be cutting the paper a little bit at the bottom part, because this is too big and the rose won't look too good if it's too big on the shirt. So I'm just going to be cutting the rose at the bottom part like this. So now I'm just going to be pressing it over here so that we'll get a perfect structure like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be turning the rose over here, and I'm applying some glue onto the bottom part of the paper over here. So do not apply more glue, we just have to apply a little bit of glue over here, and I'm sticking this to the right hand side of the shirt. So we have to do this slowly, and we just have to press on it like this. So we just have to give it some time to dry. So for me, it's going to be the left side, but we have to stick it on the right hand side of the shirt over here. So after we give it some time to dry, we're just going to be doing some decorations for this. So I'm just going to be taking a black marker. You guys can take anything you'd like. I'm just going to be drawing some small dots over here for the buttons on the shirt. So you guys can draw a line over here as well. So now I'm just going to be drawing a small rectangle on the left hand side of the shirt over here. So this is going to be for the pocket. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be coloring the paper at the top part over here slowly like this. So after we complete this, our paper shirt that contains a rose for Jawaharlal Nehru is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper shirt, and this is useful too. So you guys can use this as a home decor, and you can also use it for playing for Children's Day. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. And I want to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you for watching. Bye.